In 1858, the world's first washing machine was born. In 1911, the first electric washing machine was born. Now, we have more advanced washing machine. But today, we want to change. ViTUN Ultrasonic Cleaning Pen. It's the smallest ultrasonic washing equipment in the world. And anytime or anywhere, you can use it. In life, we will encounter many unexpected difficulties. For example, those annoying stains. But don't worry. ViTUN Ultrasonic Cleaning Pen can help you with the trouble. And keep your clothes clean right away. ViTUN is a smaller, clever product. What's more important is that you can carry it with you anytime and anywhere. How about ViTUN 2.0? We make it more powerful through optimization. It has achieved unprecedented performance through circuit optimization and accessories upgrading. An ultrasonic transmitter, it can produce strong power. In addition, it has a variety of flexible charging way, so you don't have to worry about its power. What can ViTUN 2.0 do? Tie, vest, sweater, trousers, and so on. It's not a problem for it. We have done thousands of experiments about cleaning stains. The goal is to find more efficient cleaning method. ViTUN can quickly clean out various sorts of dirty stains. Now let's see how it works. You just have to put your shoes in the water. The rest of the job, ViTUN can going to help you finish. Powerful ultrasonic energy can instantly remove dirt and stains. You only need very little water to wash clothes. Of course, you better cooperate with the laundry fluid. Now let's look at the wonderful performance of ViTUN. How about other items? In the face of the cleaning of these items, ViTUN still looks very relaxed. The world is more beautiful because of you. Thank you.